Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving a task view shortcut on Windows 10. So if you're not familiar with task view, it's just basically a Windows management feature that allows you to see all your open windows so you can quickly and easily return to different programs or documents that may be actively opened on your computer. And we're going to show you guys how to create a shortcut on how to access that. So in addition to creating a shortcut, you could also do a few different methods, so such as holding the Windows and the Tab key on your keyboard at the same time. This will show you all the active windows you have on your computer. Another way you can open them all up is if you do the Alt and the Tab key. So if you just go ahead and just hold them down, you should see the options should appear on the screen. And then you can just go ahead and select from the list here which ones you want to go ahead and open up. And then finally, you also have the option to do Control, Alt, and Tab. So if you hold down all three of those keys, it's just another way to open it up. So now if you want to go ahead and create a shortcut, you can go ahead and just right click on a blank area on your desktop, select New, and then select Shortcut. Now I'm going to have some text in the description of my video. I want you guys to copy that and then go into this bar here, right click inside of it, paste it in, select Next. You can name this whatever you want. I'm just going to call it Task View Shortcut for simplicity's sake, and then I'm going to select Finish. And there you go. If you go ahead and double click on that, it should open up the task view right there. So pretty straightforward, pretty easy, and you can also go ahead and save it to the taskbar if you want. So if you want to pin it down here, just you might have to change the icon of it if you choose to do so. You might not want to change the icon. I have other videos on my channel of how to change icons or whatnot. But let's just say we pin this to our taskbar. So just take note that this is not File Explorer, even though it has the File Explorer icon, which again, you can change the icon for. That's a whole different tutorial. But if we selected this shortcut, it should just open up our task view right there. So pretty straightforward tutorial, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.